Unboxing my Pop Mart gifts. Let's start with a small one. I'm curious about this one. I'm gonna carefully open the box. Let's see. There's a secret in there. So let's loose fish, manage the aviator, protector, persona, robot, birdman, rag picker, destroyer, boiling frog, float, pretender, and a secret. So let's see what we get. I don't want to ruin the box. Oh, sorry. I ruined the box. No. We open this one. Oops. What is this? Oh, this is. Who is this? Oh, sorry. Float. It's Float. So cute. So I'll leave that there. Little mischief. Next one. I'm actually confused whether I should open this first or this first, but I think I will open this first. Put that in. This one's really cute. I will keep this one. This one's really cute. Look at the possibilities. Whee! It's called Skull Panda from Pop Mart again. Blind box figure. Let's see. Let's see what it has. Well, I'm actually... Yeah. I will open this one. Oops, it did not finish. Yes, I'm kind of hoping, like, what will you get if you get the secret? There you go. Skull Panda box. Let's see. Okay. I'm not sure who is this. Well, we're doing it. Oh, OMG, who is this? I think it's Pinnacle Cone. This is so pretty. I don't even want to remove it from its... Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna keep it. Look at that. I'm gonna keep it from its box because it is so fragile. This one is not so fragile. All right, we got the last one. Let's see. What options do we have? We have Darkness, Ratty Bear, Sneaky Chestnut, Moldy Muffin, Pranky Peanut, Cerebus, Ghosty, Chomp, and Sandman. Yay! Oh. The big box. This is the, what edition is this? The Skull Panda edition. Oh, I can almost see it, but let me just see. What is this? Oh, it's purple. Oh, what is this? It's a Ratty Bear. It's Ratty Bear. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, creepy eyes. But it's so cute. Woohoo! Thank you, Alio. Thank you. That is cute. So here are my Bob Mart collections now.